In this video, let's see how to manage and record transfer of stock from one warehouse to other warehouse in ProfitBooks. In the navigation bar, click on Items. Select Manage Stock from the drop-down menu. Choose Record Transfer from the options. In the Stock Transfer section, click on Plus New Record. Within the new stock transfer form, pick the warehouse you intend to transfer the item out of. Enter the voucher date and click on the Products drop-down menu to select the items. From the Products drop-down menu, select the product you want to transfer. Enter quantity in the Transfer Quantity field. From the Destination Warehouse drop-down menu, select the warehouse to which you want to transfer these items. Enter details in the Details text box in the form. Click the Save button to save the stock transfer. View the Stock Transfer Voucher confirmation message. Review the product details and transfer quantity information. In the View Item section, review the inventory details to check the available quantities across various warehouses. You'll notice that the stock transfer we just recorded was successful, as the 50 units transferred are now reflected in Warehouse 1. ProfitBooks offers reports related to warehouse management. To access them, simply click on the Reports section in the navigation bar. Under Inventory Reports, select Warehouse-wise stock. Select Warehouse 1 from the drop-down menu. Click the Generate button. Scroll down to view the complete list of products and details. Within the table, there is a row 4 water bottle that shows the available quantity.